Okay guys, so here you can see the stickers on the top give you an idea, an approximation of what to expect from the color. As you can see, most of them, 4 of them are pinks, and then a couple of them are more nude colors. And these are, so they go from 109, 115, 118, 119, 120, and 121. Now let's take a closer look at these. Here's number 109, and here you can see the shade of pink. And this is such a pretty collection, guys. Yeah, very pretty, very feminine. If you are into pinks, you're definitely gonna love this collection. And they are all cream, so let me go ahead and we're gonna swatch this on these sticks. So here they all are, guys. Beautiful collection, beautiful range of different pinks, and the 2 nudes that I pointed out when they were in the bottles, so are these 2 right here. And you can see this other pink, very light pink in between them, and the brightest pink is this one. I don't know if it's coming through on camera. It almost appears to be like a neon next to the others. This one tends to be more like a mauve. This is that nude beige color is the one I have on my nails. And yes, I did some art on them. Just put some water decals to dress it up just a little bit. And this one is a very pale white. I'm sorry, a very pale pink. And then the other neutral is, yeah, it does have pink undertones, and then this one has lilac undertones. Beautiful. Oh, and they're all creams except the one that I'm wearing, number 119. It has a very slight, ever so fainted shimmer to it. I don't know if you're gonna pick it up on camera there, but it does have some shimmer on it, where the others are more true creams. So if you guys, this is your first time seeing a review of mine from AIMEILI, very good formula. Love these gels. They do last well, and these cure with a tacky layer, and they do require a top coat. These are now finished with the top coat on the wheel. So that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank AIMEILI for sending me these beautiful gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.